contest number 2.
Okay, now you do the split.
Okay, now the challenger. Bill.
Yeah, till the count of 10.
I'm gonna need you to burp soon. Oh, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Bill's ready.
No.
Okay, no. So far, Felicia's the winner still.
Bill has to split still. Ready?
Felicia's the winner.
No, it's not good.
2.
She's getting more ammo.
Whoa, that was weak.
Okay. That first one, Bill, it's gonna be hard to beat. Oh my God!
Good, John.
That was good, John.
A little bit of yelling in that one.
Oh, Felicia, you were just dethroned.
Mine lasted a little longer. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's true. She gets points in length.
You got longevity. You got. I have nothing to drink.
Someone give this man a Diet Pepsi.
Oh,
Give me something carbonated. Something carbonated? Beer? Yeah, all right. Yeah, bring it up.
damn it, they're getting weaker after
You know why? Because there's a difference between champions and amateurs. That's all I gotta say, Felicia. Two fisting. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that's a beer and a something. Whoa. That was Felicia. Okay, wait, we got the challenger. We got the challenger. Oh, that was a watery one.
That was a watery one.
That, like, I think a pipe burst in that one. An internal pipe, if you will.
Who's that? Wait.
Oh, Felicia just beat you with that one.
Damn.
I'm fucking telling you, I know how to burp, dude.
Oh, okay, we got Captain Wet Ones over here.
You're right, Bill.
No, Felicia still wins.
Ass right here.
Sorry. You guys. Okay, now you're just faking that. I'm pretty sure I just vomited in my mouth.
That's not even burp anymore. That's vomit.
I agree. Strike that one from the record. I think I did a little pork chow mein in that one. I'm crying.
Thank you two for making Belch contest awesome. Oh, what?
Well, I'm kicking your asses, I gotta tell you.
The girl is beating the tall guy and the big guy.
Oh my God! I'm gonna put this counter. I'm totally gonna see my lunch all over this counter. That's not where I'm gonna go with this. Alright? Go on the towel. There it is.
He keeps trying to burp, but it becomes vomit.
Wait. The champion would be.
The champion, Felicia!
Now I have to say on the record, Bill should get a reward for heart. He pushed himself to limit his shit.
If he burped anymore, we would receive his heart. So,
Given all this heart. Would have come right in.
how does it feel to be the loser? Twice.
I don't mind.
Bill, how does it feel to be beaten by a woman?
Like me.
Sometimes it happens. You know, a tougher competitor. There's only so much you can do, you know?
And now for the winner.
Thank God. And even though I'm agnostic, but you know, it's completely besides the point. And I kicked your asses, that's all I have to say.
Yes!
Wow. There's no modesty from the winner.
How does it feel?
I'm just better. Do we have a crown of some sort?